guys, I'm reviewing this really nice doorbell here. This is by Liztek, and there's the little buttons here. This is for the volume. Comes with a nice remote here. Has a little sticker here in case you don't want to use the screws. You can screw them on. Obi will be in charge of that there. But yeah, if you want to use these sticker things, you just take this part off, stick it here and take that part off and attach it to the front of your door. Well, now Obi's playing with his fishy. Okay, so let's hear some of these ringtones. The cat got scared.
Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome.
There's low,
Hello,
medium,
hello,
and
welcome.
high,
Hello,
and extra
welcome.
high. So you get 4 volumes. So I'm going to put it there on medium.
Are you? And please open the door.
I like that this part here lights up. It's pretty neat. There's a Christmas one. Sounds like Arabian Nights type song.
What is that?
This sounds like a summer type of song or springy. I like that doorbell. That one would have to be my favorite. But there's so many more to go through, and to use this little doorbell button here. Take that little part out that I just pulled, and there you go. Alright guys, if you want to order one, link to this is in the description. Please go and check it out. It's very, very nice. And have a great weekend.